So our question number second from second internal is explain refinement solution of ill condition equation. So let's start the solution. So now we will see refinement of ill condition equation. So firstly, we need to know about ill condition. Ill condition equation is that an equation in which all the elements of a matrix is less than a predefined value of E. So the refinement of ill condition equation is let us we have three equation which contains the a11 a12 a13 a21 a22 a23 a31 a32 a33 as elements and a14 a24 a34 as its right side elements. Now let x1 of 0 x2 of 0 and x3 of 0 be approximate solution of obtained from Gaussian elimination. Then our equation becomes a11 x1 of 0 plus a12 x2 of 0 plus a13 x of 3 of 0 equal to a14 of 0. Similarly, our two rows also changes, and the difference between this and this is a14 minus a14 of 0, which we called alpha of 140, and similarly for other two equation. Now if alpha 140, alpha 240 and alpha 340 are larger than x1 of 0, x2 of 0, x3 of 0, so then it is not a good solution for our equations. So now if we subtract the equation with solution obtained from Gauss elimination method, then we will get E1 of 1 equal to x1 minus x1 of 1, E2 equal to x2 minus x2 of 1, E3 equal to x3 minus x3 of 1. These are the errors in the solution. Now a11 e1 of 0 plus a12 e2 of 0 plus a13 e3 of 0 equal to alpha 140. Here a11 a12 a13 are the elements of matrix, and e1 of 0 e2 of 0 e3 of 0 are the error which we get from the previous solution of the equation. Then similarly for other two equation, then x1 of 2 equal to e1 of 1 plus x1 of 1, x2 of 2 equal to e2 of 1 plus x2 of 1, and x3 of 2 equal to e3 of 1 plus x3 of 1. This is the refinement solution that we will add on the ill condition equation to solve the correct answer. So x1 of 2 is just the sum of the previous value we get from the solving the iterative matrix, and e1 of 1 is the error. Now this x1 of 2, x2 of 2 and x3 of 2 is the refinement solution of the ill condition equation obtained by the Gaussian elimination method. For second iteration, we just put these three values and then we will get the next iteration values, and we will iterate till LHS equal to RHS, means that we will get the error, minimizing the error. So it has been found that a few cycles of this refinement procedure lead to more accurate results even in ill conditioned system. That's why we use the refinement of ill condition equation.